I just flashed a 96.6% upward signal for XRP, and honestly, I haven't seen numbers this strong in weeks. Let's break it down. So here's where we are right now. XRP is sitting at $1.4170, and yeah, it's down 3.55% today. I know, that doesn't sound super exciting, but you know what I've noticed? Sometimes the best opportunities come when everyone's feeling a bit nervous. The whole crypto market took a hit today, with crypto longs losing $500 million. But here's the thing. There's some really interesting stuff happening behind the scenes. Now let me tell you why this current price level matters. The RSI is sitting pretty at 52.53, right in that sweet neutral zone. No crazy overbought or oversold signals here. But here's what caught my eye. The MACD is actually above its signal line, which suggests we might have some bullish momentum building underneath all this surface noise. And get this, XRP is trading 16.77% below its 200-day average. That's actually a really good value zone, if you ask me. So what knocked everything down today? Well, there was this massive global bond sell-off that just hammered the stock market, had its worst day since March. And you know how crypto loves to follow stocks sometimes. XRP has this 40% correlation with the S&P 500. So when Wall Street sneezes, we tend to catch a cold too. The dollar got stronger, which never helps our cause either. But wait, here's where it gets really interesting. The US Clarity Act just passed its Senate panel. Now, I'm not saying this fixes everything overnight, but removing legal uncertainty around XRP, that's huge. The analysts are already talking about a $2.03 target because of this news. Here's the thing. Regulatory clarity has been the elephant in the room for so long, and now we're finally seeing some real progress. The mood right now is, well, it's cautious. The Fear and Greed Index is at 43, so we're in that neutral to fearful territory. People are being careful, which I actually think is healthy. But you know what's not fearful? XRP network activity just hit a 2-month peak. We're seeing 453 active wallets, the strongest growth since March. When the network gets busy like this, that usually means something's brewing. The big players are doing something interesting too. Whale transactions totaled 762 billion XRP across 494 trades. That's a lot of big money moving around. And get this, XRP ETFs are seeing massive inflows. $28.6 million just flowed in, and Merrick's Group just disclosed a $9.4 million position. Their stock jumped 15% this week. When institutions start positioning like this, I pay attention. Now, if we look at the bigger picture patterns, in plain English, we're in what's called a corrective phase right now. Think of it like the market taking a breather before the next move up. The Wyckoff analysis suggests we're in an accumulation stage, which basically means smart money is quietly buying while everyone else is worried. Been there, seen that pattern before. So what does the AI think? This is where it gets exciting. The short-term prediction shows $1.8124 with a 96.6% probability of going up. That's honestly incredible confidence from the AI. Medium term, it's looking at $1.5324 and long term around $1.5263. That short-term signal is so strong, it's basically screaming that a bounce is coming. But here's what could go wrong. The stock market could keep falling and drag us down with it. And there's this thing with leverage building up around $1.50 that could create some wild swings. The VIX is sitting at 18, and if that keeps climbing, well, risk assets like crypto tend to get sold off. So we're not out of the woods yet. All right, here's my take. This is a short-term BIY situation. The Clarity Act news, that insane 96.6% AI signal, and XRP being 16% below its long-term average, that's a pretty compelling case. I'd look at entering between $1.40 to $1.42. First target would be $1.55. And if this really takes off, we could see $1.81. But hey, always protect yourself with a stop loss around $1.35. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, maybe dollar cost average your way in. That's it for today. The AI is flashing some pretty bullish signals, but as always, do your own research and only invest what you can afford. If this helped you make sense of what's happening, hit that subscribe button and give me a like. See you next time.